More than 35 representatives of government agencies benefited from a 3-day workshop aimed at advancing the development of the country's 5-year Country Work Program 2019-2024 for disaster risk reduction and disaster management. Delicia Haynes brings us that report.
The workshop held at the Arthur Chung Conference Center is a collaborative effort between the Civil Defense Commission, the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, and the United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Risk Reduction. Cheryl Nichols, facilitator at CDEMA, said the goal is to have Guyana become a safer, more resilient nation through comprehensive disaster management over the next 5 years. Nichols said emphasis will be placed on strengthening institutional arrangements, public awareness, and knowledge enhancement.
We're hoping that this activity will bring all our stakeholders on board, having the kind of multi-agency partnership necessary to ensure that we're moving in a right direction for minimizing the impact of disasters on Guyana in particular and certainly the Caribbean as a whole.
Nichols is optimistic that stakeholders will establish the multi-agency relationships necessary to ensure that the country moves in the right direction in an effort to minimize the impacts of natural disasters on Guyana. InfoHub spoke to a few participants.
I've also realized here is that in every policy document within the sector, you should be looking at the issue of disaster risk management. It tells us that, again, as I said before, it's everybody's business and we have a right to understand what it is all about.
Disaster risk management must be seen as everybody's business. There are a number of challenges we will face, but the more organized we are, the better would be our position to respond to those challenges. Hence the need for this workshop that is working towards the preparation of the Country Work Program that will speak to disaster risk management.
The Country Work Program workshops are based on an examination of gaps in the country's comprehensive disaster management audits and guides efforts towards enhancing disaster risk management in line with the regional and global agendas. For InfoHub, Delicia Haynes.